Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how you can create a shoe protector or a gear shift lever protector for your bike. Actually, you can easily buy one online, but it's very difficult to find it offline, and even when you buy it, it is really difficult to install on the bikes. So I wanted to create an easier method. You can do it at your home without any cost. This way it is a lot easier to install also. So actually the mechanism is that you can see this rubber stock at the end of the lever. So when you slap your foot, the rubber gets dirty, and with the repeated use it starts moving and the dirtier part gets down from where you are lifting it with the shoe, and then your shoe also gets dirty. So for this I have a really simple method. You'll just need a roll of electric tape, a scissor and a piece of rubber tube, or you can also use a piece of leather, or you can use any strong material that is not very flexible but is semi-flexible. So first we'll measure the length of the lever, and then we'll see the exact right amount which covers the entire rubber stock of the lever. And when we have got that, we'll make an incision with a scissor, and after that now you can use the other part to wrap it around the lever, and then we'll remove this excessive part which is of no use. Once we are done with that, we will just keep it there and wrap the rubber part around the lever very firmly, exactly right into the position. Just wrap it around with a electrical tape. Wrap it around thoroughly so that it doesn't move at all in the future. You have to keep it tight and snug so that it doesn't move at all. Once you're done with it, wrapping it with the tape, it won't move at all. Now we'll move on to the other end of it. So we will roll the stock with the rubber, and once we have done that, you can see how perfectly it fits. We'll wrap it around with electrical tape also, and after that you have to wrap this part very thoroughly with the tapes, because you'll be putting your foot down on it and it will suffer from a lot of wear and tear. You can remove the excessive rubber with the scissor so that it's perfect and it does not stand out at all. Once you're done with that, you just have to wrap it around with the tape firmly. Make sure it's really tight and durable. A few rounds of the electrical tape will do that. Now we'll remove any extra parts. Now you can see how in place it looks, and it doesn't look like an afterthought or some kind of jugaad, and it does look really good. It looks better than the piece of rubber that you have to mount on it, and that rubber is very difficult to install, and that's why I've not installed it. And now after putting this rubber portion won't move and your shoe won't get as dirty as it used to. And now once we have done this, I would like to remind you that I've been using this method for like 3 or 4 months now, and it has been working perfectly, and I have washed the bike multiple times. It does not wash off with the water. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, leave a like, and if you have any other suggestions about any kind of DIY hack, please leave in the comments.